This video mainly introduces our add-on, My Custom Calendar. First, click on Account, Add-on, My Custom Calendar. We will first go to the Customize page to configure the settings. To begin, click the Sync button to sync the data. Then click the Set Up New Config button to create a new configuration. Enter the config name and then go to Display Configurations to set up the job card configuration. You can choose either job-related information or contact-related information, and you can preview the result on the right side in the Preview panel. The color settings section below allows you to select the background color, border color, and font color. You can also define the conditions under which these colors will apply. Please note that if two color settings conflict with each other, the system will prioritize the last rule listed at the bottom. The Staff Settings section allows you to select which staff members you wish to display on your custom calendar. This settings page applies to your login only. Click Save to save the configuration. You can also click Edit to modify an existing configuration, or click Delete to remove a configuration. Next, we move to the Calendar page. First, click the Sync button again to sync the data. Then click the Config button on the top right to select a configuration. We select the configuration we just created, Test03. Now you can see that all job cards are displayed according to the display configurations and color settings we defined earlier. You can drag a job from the right-hand panel directly onto the calendar. Then simply click on the job to open the booking modal. Inside the modal, you can edit the booking and assign staff. Please note that only the staff members selected in your configuration will be available here. You can also adjust the booking time at the bottom of the modal. After making changes, click Save Booking. You will then see that the job has been updated on the calendar. You can also right-click on a booking and select Edit to open the modal again. If you would like to remove the booking, simply click Cancel Booking. To navigate through the calendar, you can click Prev and Next to switch between periods. You can also switch the view to day, week, or month. Additionally, you can directly select a specific date to view. The third page is the Settings page. Here, you can enable automatically sync Service M8 data when opening calendar pages, which allows the system to sync data automatically without manually clicking the sync button each time. You can also configure the day view start time and day view end time according to your business hours. After making your changes, click Save to apply the settings. Finally, we have Access Control. In this section, you can configure permissions for different staff members. You can define what each staff member is allowed to access or modify. Once the permissions are set, click Save to confirm. That's all you need to know about my custom calendar. Thanks for watching.